What's going on YouTube? This is BXBomber718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I have the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2025 edition. That's right, I picked this up on sale at Best Buy for $2,049.99. This is the version with the AMD Ryzen HX9 370. I'm going to take out the AI. 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 1 terabyte of storage, and Nvidia Geforce RTX 5070 Ti with 12 gigabytes of GDDR7 VRAM, Wi-Fi 7, and the works. All right. So this one got a slight bump up in regards to specs from the version right underneath it, which is the 5070. Actually, it was actually cheaper than a 5070. This retails for $2,399.99, and the 5070 version is $2,099.99. But that one comes with the AMD Ryzen 270, which is a rebranding of the 8845HS, right? So pretty much anything that you get that does not have the HX process in it from AMD, it's pretty much a rebrand. That 270 is a rebrand of the 8845HS, the same specs, right? Only difference this year, it's the same chassis as well. Only difference this year is that they add a 5060 and a 5070, and I think there's a 5050 version as well. Whereas with the 5070 Ti and above, which is the 5080, which is where it maxes at in the G14 in 2025, there is a difference in the chassis. It's a little taller to accommodate a better cooling system for the 5070 Ti and the 5080. All right. So I picked this up because I wanted to see if this is something that I want to keep or something I may want to return. I was really wrestling between this and the Asus ROG Flow Z13. And I've also tried out the Transcend, as y'all know, the G16 and others. Hopefully this is the sweet spot. I would love to have something that I can use that's portable, something that's powerful, something that has great battery life, something that's thin and light, and something that has a rigid chassis, right? So this may fit the bill. So let's go ahead and check out the unboxing and see if this is the one for me, or maybe if it's the one for you. All right, so starting off, we have the Republic of Gamers, established 2006. We have this large ROGI here. There is a label that comes here from Best Buy. If you keep looking, there's a sticker on this side. Let's take that sticker off. All right. On the right side, we have some information right here on the device. Okay, as you can see. On this side, there's nothing there. It's just for those who dare. All right. On the back, it's a little bit more sensitive information on the back, but pretty much listing out the specs that I just went over with you. All right. So now also at the top here, we have these sticker seals. So these need to be broken so we can get inside. And we're going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be silent for the rest of the unboxing. All right, went ahead and unboxed it, as y'all saw. Now, this actual laptop itself, I had last year's version, the 2024 version. Tried it around, played around with it. I liked it, but wound up returning it for another laptop that I wound up returning anyway, right? So sometimes it can be hard to please when it comes to a device like this that I'm looking for long term, but this seems to fit the bill, all right? Now, this feels almost exactly like the other model from 2024. However, as you saw on the bottom, it's a little bit thicker to accommodate better cooling for the 5070 Ti and the 5080 Ti, because last year, I think it maxed out at the 4070, and a lot of people were a little upset over that, right? So far, so good. There's no flex. Keys, trackpad feels just as good as it did last year. Again, the only difference is the slight thickness on the bottom, but it looks pretty, you know, pretty stealthy, so it's not that obvious that it's that thick. And if you didn't have last year's version, you wouldn't even know it, right? But let's go ahead and do a first boot on this, and then we'll go ahead later on and do a review, overview, go over everything. But so far, so good. And again, I had this model last year. Looks to be the same, just better performance this year, all right? Just go ahead and power it on, see what happens. All right, this also has a one-zone backlit RGB keyboard, so it's not per key. Same thing was last year as well. Same boot up screen as the Asus ROG Flow Z13. Okay, still booting, taking a sweet time. All right. All right, there you go. I went into Windows. Let's go ahead and mute up. All right, and so far so good. So I'll do unboxing of the accessories as well, but hopefully you enjoy that ASMR unboxing. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments below. If you have any questions, let me know. If you enjoyed the content, hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're brand new here. Go back and check out our other reviews and unboxings. And as always, share the video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.